Amending a tax return with H&R block. Occasionally, you may discover errors or omissions in a previously filed tax return that requires correction. Fortunately, H&R block offers a straightforward process for amending your tax return, ensuring accuracy and compliance with the IRS regulations. In this guide, we'll provide you an overview for how to amend a tax return using H&R block's online platform. So, firstly, begin by visiting the H&R block website and accessing the page dedicated to amend a tax return. Once on the web page, familiarize yourself with the information provided regarding the process of amending a tax return using H&R block's online platform. Sign in to your H&R block online account or create a new account if you haven't yet created an account. Follow the prompts provided to locate the tax return you wish to amend. Once you have selected the appropriate tax return, H&R block will guide you through the process of making amendments. This may include correcting errors, updating information, and adding missing details to ensure your return is accurate and compliant. After making necessary amendments, review your tax return carefully to ensure accuracy and completeness. H&R block's platform may offer a preview or summary of your amended return before submission to help you with spotting errors or discrepancies. Then after filing everything, H&R block will provide you with a confirmation of your submission. This was everything you needed to know about amending a tax return. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.